Did you know that some people sneeze when they are suddenly exposed to bright light? This phenomenon, known as the photic sneeze reflex, affects around 10–35% of the population. It happens because the optic nerve and the trigeminal nerve are closely linked, resulting in the body reacting to intense light exposure as if it were an irritant. While it might seem strange, this reflex can lead to unexpected moments, especially during bright sunny days or when stepping outside after being indoors. Research suggests that the reflex is inherited, adding an interesting twist to family gatherings where sneezing may run in the genes.